You won't believe how much I tell you this costs, and it can do at least one thing other pop-up wallets can't, which will make you happy if you also carry cash. Today I've got the Zen wallet with AirTag holder. I didn't pay for this one, the brand sent it for free for a review. I got you a 10% discount code that I'll put in the video description next to my affiliate link. If you use the link or the code to buy an item, I can earn a small fee at no extra cost to yourself. We've all seen this before. You pull the trigger, your cards pop up, making them easy to get at, and the aluminium card holder protects your card's data from unauthorized attempts to scan your cards with card skimming devices. And it's also a very slim wallet for those that seek that minimalist wallet experience, but not with the usual practical sacrifices, because look here. You get a hard-wearing polymer pocket that enables you to store cash banknotes safely enclosed inside the wallet, which also benefits from the pop-up eject function. It seems simple, but other brands either don't or in some cases can't do this. Some brands that make similar pop-up card holders just prefer to have some kind of a clip on the outside of the wallet to hold the cash down across the middle, like this, leaving the edges exposed, which is terrible because you can lose your cash or scruff the edges. And other designs just might not work well if you tried to put this same poly pocket inside of their card holders. For example, here's a well-known competitor's product I purchased, the Secrid Card Protector. And see how it has these two felt pads at the very top? They put pressure either side of the cards so that they don't fall out, but the felt is only located at the top. So if we put the cash pocket in here, it would have pressure at the top only, with potential for it to bend like this when you try to eject it. The unique design of the Zen wallet instead has full-length silicone friction elements inside. These put a more uniform pressure on the length of the cards, and this means the proprietary pull pocket, as it's called, purpose-built for the Zen wallet, ejects the cash flawlessly. The Zen wallet is by Polaris in Europe, that also go by the simplified PUL branding. With the cash pocket removed, the wallet holds 8 flat cards, or 6 cards with the cash pocket inserted with a couple of bills inside it. Alternatively, more cash, less cards, whatever works best for you. Next is the clip-on AirTag holder. It's made of quite a hard-wearing polymer, so at first I was fearful of scratching the aluminium card holder when I remove it to insert my AirTag. But I remembered the card holder is anodized. This creates a layer of aluminium oxide on the surface, which is much harder than raw aluminium. In fact, anodized aluminium can range from 6 to 9 on the Mohs hardness scale. For reference, a diamond would be 10 and raw aluminium about 2.5. My guess is that this has type 2 hardening, about 6 or 7, so no scratches. I normally don't talk price in videos because retailers can change prices, but this time I feel the value is a big USP. So, you can buy this product as a complete bundle including the wallet, pull pocket for cash, and the AirTag holder. Or you can buy each item separately. Of course, the best value is to buy the full set, and the Zen wallet is certified to meet rigorous European and global quality, safety and compliance standards. And the price of this, as a set, at the time of making this video I stress, is $17. Some brands would charge more than that just for a simple accessory like an AirTag holder. It's worth grabbing an additional Zen wallet at those prices. They have a massive choice of colors and designs.